Ladies and gentlemen, this is what happens when a belt shreds. And I'm telling you, the smell is enough to gag a maggot on a wagon. This used to be a belt that looked like this. That used to look like that. Yeah. Okay. Time to fix it.